This is a fully functional e-commerce website, product pages, cart system, clean layout, everything working exactly like a real online store. But here's what makes this different. This isn't just a normal website. This entire store is being generated and controlled through a custom plugin I built myself. And the interesting part, I didn't code this manually, and I didn't hire a developer. I used Claude AI to build the plugin from scratch. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the exact prompt I used and how you can use the same method to create your own plugin that can generate full websites on demand. So whether you want to build e-commerce stores for yourself, sell plugins, or even offer this as a service to clients, this approach can open up a lot of opportunities. But there's one key thing you need to understand first. Most people try AI like this and don't get good results, not because it doesn't work, but because they don't structure their prompts the right way. So I'll walk you through everything step by step and show you how to do it properly. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Claude AI website or app, whichever you're using, and enter this exact prompt you're seeing on the screen. The prompt will be available for everyone to copy for free. Here's the prompt I use. Create a complete WordPress plugin, single installable zip-ready structure for a fully functional e-commerce storefront delivered via a single shortcode. The plugin must include everything in one cohesive output with the plugin requirements. Plugin name, CartForge Pro. Main file, CartForge Pro DHP with proper WP plugin header. Use only vanilla PHP, WordPress APIs, and inline CSS/JS. No external dependencies. Register and include all styles and scripts properly. Store products, cart, and orders in WordPress custom post types, plus post meta. Cart must use WP session or transients, no external session libraries. And the shortcode must render. E1, product grid page with product image, name, price, add to cart button. 2, single product view, description, image gallery, quantity selector, add to cart. 3, cart page, line items, quantities, subtotals, remove button, continue to checkout. 4, checkout form, name, email, address, payment placeholder with Stripe ready hooks. 5, order confirmation page with order summary. 6, all views must be spa style, no page reloads. Use Ajax plus WP nonces for all actions. For the admin panel, custom post type products with meta boxes for price, sale price, stock quantity, gallery, order CPT with status management, pending/processing, stock completed, refunded, basic settings page, store name, currency symbol, currency position. The design should be clean, modern storefront design, CSS grid product layout, card-based UI, mobile responsive, neutral color scheme with a configurable accent color from the settings page. And as for the outputty format, output every file's full content clearly labeled. You can see the rest of the prompt and click send. It's going to take between 5 to 8 minutes to build the plugin. Alright, it's done building the plugin. Now I just need to head to WordPress and install and activate it. The shortcode page will be created automatically. The plugin is installed. I'll open the shortcode page in a new browser and show you how it looks. Now you can see this isn't just about building one website. It's about creating a system you can reuse over and over again. If you take this seriously, you can use it to build stores faster, create tools for other people, or even turn it into a service. But don't just watch this and move on. Try it yourself. Take the prompt, test it, tweak it, and see what you can build with it. And if you found this helpful, make sure you like the video. It really helps the channel grow and lets me know you want more content like this. Also, drop a comment and tell me what you'd like me to build next using AI, whether it's another plugin, a full SaaS, or something completely different. And if you don't want to miss the next video where I show more ways to use AI to build real projects, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.